Hi, my name is Becky. I'm a makeup artist and beauty content creator, and today I'm going to be showing you how to apply the Eylure Underlash Pre-Glued clusters. Because you're applying the lashes underneath, you can't see the lash band, so it's a super natural look. They're super quick and easy to apply as they come already pre-glued. The clusters also come in different lengths, which is great because they're customizable depending on your eye shape and your preference. And they last all day. So I'm just making sure my lashes are clean and dry. I'm using the applicator to just gently remove the cluster. So using the longest cluster first, I'm going to start from the outside of my eye. I'm going to look down into a mirror and just apply it onto my lash line. Press it into the lash, and it's as easy as that. I'm taking the medium length next, and I'm going to apply that just next to this one. Make sure not to apply them too close to your eye. Make sure to apply them just on the lash line, otherwise they can irritate your eye. There we have it. Okay, now taking the shortest length, because I'm going for quite a cat eye effect, that's just my preference. I'm going to put the shortest length just under here. Press that into the lash line. And there we go. I'm going to do one more. This is the shortest length again. And just applying it on the inner part of my eye, pressing it down. I'm just using the applicator now to clamp my natural lashes to the clusters, just so they last and stay on. As you can see, I did the other eye and we have both sets of lashes on. They're looking so good. These lashes are reusable, so when you're ready to remove, all you need to do is tug on the lash, it will come straight off, put them back in the tray, ready for next time.